Sebastian, as a follow-up question, I would like to ask senolytics, I understand the concept that you want to get rid of the senescence cells, but senescence has been, evolutionary conserved across species because it has a very worthy function, and that is of suppressing cancer, right? It's a tumor suppressive mechanism. So how do you see senolytics in that context?
Yeah, that's a very good point. So, and I worked on senescence a bit in my PhD. Senescence evolved for a very important purpose, as you point out, tumor suppression, just like telomeres in large part evolved for tumor suppression. And so the proposition is not to prevent senescence from occurring. The proposition is to eliminate these cells that have gone senescent. And when you have too many senescent cells accumulating with age, it causes accelerated aging and like a positive feedback loop. So just for context, cellular senescence is when a cell stops dividing, it exits the cell cycle, and it starts secreting a bunch of pro-inflammatory factors. Yeah, the SASP factors. And these, a lot of them are come eat me signals to the immune system. And it's also involved in tissue repair and some other processes. But generally speaking, as senescent cells accumulate with age, importantly because of immune system failure, which we're working on in ImmuneAGE bio, it accelerates aging. And if you ablate senescent cells, it extends lifespan up to about 27%. And so I think it's a good idea to eliminate senescent cells. There have been a couple early efforts, like from Unity Biotech, that had some interesting targets. Didn't pan out initially, but they may still pan out in the future. In biotech, it's rare that your first attempt succeeds. But senolytics broadly as a field make a lot of sense. I'm partial to leveraging the immune system to eliminate senescent cells as it eliminates cancer cells. Senescent cells and cancer cells are kind of similar in some ways.
Yes.
And so we've invested in, for example, deciduous therapeutics, which is developing an iNKT cell small molecule engager that activates a certain subtype of immune cells